Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be removing the throttle body and the water pump. Enjoy. Not really supposed to ever force anything, but kind of like left no choice. I've disconnected everything there is to be disconnected. Oh yeah, it's a lot of soot back there, and there's some water that I've seen. Throttle body on a Sprinter. This does work, like it's set to automatically open up. If throttle body does get stuck on a Sprinter, then you're gonna have issues. But the way you install it is by these bolts right there. Boom, and then another one right there, another one right there, and another one right there. So there's also a plastic cover that goes on it, so it might be sold as 3 parts. This part, throttle body part, that part. It would make sense. I've seen one of these plastic pieces damaged, so in an accident. So now I'm gonna have one for sale as well. So we have the seal. I'm going to go ahead and take it. Not that I can really save it. Sure that I can still find everything I'm looking for on the table. All my tools. And that goes in the parts bin. Okay, excellent. Here's another bolt that fell. That's starting to become a little bit more fun, if you could call it that. Now let's go ahead and actually have some more wins on this engine while we can. So we need to remove this here. So to remove it, we have, let me see here, I want to make sure I'm flip it right side up. So this is the way you actually do it. You just use these pliers. I really, don't have to use it since it was already undone. I undone it earlier, but I just wanted to show you. That's the way I do it. So you have the sensor on the right side like this. This is the one for the right side of the engine if you're standing in front of it, so basically the driver's side. So this is good here. So we have some more sensors to remove. So we have this sensor here, so we just pull that pin and this sensor comes out. I'm just gonna replace this pin, put it right back in here. Might actually fall out at some point. There's more trash here. Not surprised. So here's the rest of the water pump. And that's all it needed. So this water pump is still good. Nothing wrong with this one. However, it's interesting now that they have one with the pulley that does not remove. So that's new. So when that pulley fails, you gotta replace the water pump. Water pump is being spinned by the main type of belt. That's important to note. Some of you guys know that, some of you guys don't, because it looks like this is the water pump, because on T1 ends it's here. Well, 3.0 liter diesels. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit a like. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe. I help Sprinter owners all the time. Guys, if you are looking for Sprinter parts, I have all these parts available in my eBay store. You can actually follow the link in the description below. It's Zimaleta Motors Store. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.